Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share a LV messenger bag. You can see the color is black, and here is the whole bag. Yeah, like this. Okay, now let me show you the detail. This is a coin purse. You can take it away. Yes, let me take it. Like this. It's very cute. Okay, and the zip have the logo LV. Okay, the hardware. And now let me show you the bag. Okay, here is the LV logo. You can see they are made from leather, real leather. Okay, the monogram pattern. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Here is a pocket. Yeah, a pocket. No. This one. Yeah, the bottom. This side is the hardware. The logo. Okay. And this side. Yeah, also the zip. The zip has the logo. Now let me show you the inside of the bag. Here is the logo. You can see the logo. Yeah. And here is code numbers. Here. Code number. Yeah, you can see the code number. Okay. There in the bag have two pocket. 1, 2. Yes, very good. Here, this is the strap. Yeah, strap. The strap. Yeah. Okay. Now let me show you the accessories. Silk ribbon and cards. Okay, instruction book and invoice. Yeah, invoice in it, and dust bag, and the box. Yeah, the box, and shopping bag here. Okay, if you are interested in the bag, you can contact me. Yeah, they are really good bag. Thank you. See you.